Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sign up on WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, let's get into WhatsApp app. So here it is. Now choose your language and click on agree and continue. Enter your phone number and click on next. And click on yes. And click on continue for the verification. And click on continue. Now enter your name and click on next. So now we are in WhatsApp interface. So this is all we need to do to sign up on WhatsApp. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.